How to make learning your superpower. Welcome to another episode of Deconstructing Life with Dan. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make knowledge and learning your superpower. So, as I was saying, how can learning be your superpower? Well, you know what? As long as you're willing to learn, you're going to grow. If knowledge is power, which it is in today's world, we know that we're living in an information society, then learning has to be your superpower. You know, we are living two lives. We are living the life we have right now, and we're living the one that we're capable of. So if the one that we're capable of is out there, that's our potential, then we must learn, right? So, how are you going to learn? Well, let me reflect on something that happened to me when I was learning. When I was in school, up until grade 8, I was considered the class clown. I was considered the joker. I was considered the fun maker. And I wasn't necessarily learning. I was having fun. And the teachers noticed that, and the principal. Simply because I was cracking jokes all the time. They didn't like it, and so my teacher would send me to the principal's office, and the principal would then, give me some sort of punishment or let my parents know that I was joking around and doing nothing. So come grade 9, high school, what happens? They recommend that I go into general level. That's like the lower level, the slow level, the inability to learn level. Well, that wasn't necessarily true. And look at this beautiful glassy pond this morning here. So that wasn't necessarily true because you know what? I went on to university. So learning was my superpower. It just wasn't at that time. I was just bored. So if learning is a superpower, how can you make it yours? How can you bring out your potential? How can you live that life that you're capable of living without getting caught up in somebody else's challenges or even your own problems and challenges? And I'm going to give you an opportunity to learn from some amazing people. I'm part of a summit that is starting up this coming Monday, and I'm going to provide you with a link here so you can join it. There's going to be 88 people on the summit. You can pick and choose who you want to learn from, but there's going to be a boatload of resources and information for you to grab. You pick and choose whichever one you want. It's like a buffet. It's like a smorgasbord. You just pick and choose whatever one you want and then start applying it. So once again, if you want to make knowledge valuable for you and make it work, then you got to make learning your superpower. And this coming Monday, all week long, you're going to be able to grab awesome information from the Super Summit. So grab the link below and join in. Good morning, Shelley. Hope you're well. And as always, thanks for watching.